शरीर नश्वर है, किंतु आत्मा सर्वव्यापी, स्थिर, अचल और सनातन है। ऐसी ही एक आत्मा है हमारे चेयरमैन सर, स्वर्गीय श्री नंद किशोर पकरूडिया जी, जो आज भले ही शारीरिक रूप से हमारे साथ नहीं है, किंतु जहां भी होंगे अपने द्वारा लगाए गए एक नन्हे पौधे को फलदार एवं लहलहाते हुए वृक्ष के रूप में देखकर बहुत प्रसन्न होंगे। हजारों की संख्या में छात्र उनके द्वारा प्रदर्शित पथ पर चलते हुए उनकी शिक्षा और आदर्शों को संपूर्ण विश्व में मानव कल्याण में लगा रहे हैं। मैं स्वागत करती हूँ आदरणीय अध्यक्षा महोदया श्रीमती पुष्पा देवी बागरोटिया जी, निदेशक महोदय, प्रबंधकारिणी समिति के माननीय सदस्यों, प्रधानाचार्य जी, संचालिका महोदया, सभी विभागाध्यक्षों, अध्यापकगणों और मेरे प्रिय छात्रों का, जो आज इस अवसर पर यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। आइए उस परोपकारी महात्मा को भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए कार्यक्रम को शुरू करते हैं और उनके द्वारा दिखाए गए आदर्शों पर चलने का संकल्प करते हैं।
नयनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि, नयनं दहति पावकः, न चैनं क्लेद्यन्त्यापोः, न शोषयति मारुतः। यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र, सर्वं च मयि पश्यति, तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि, सा च मे न प्रणश्यति।
कोई भी कार्य तब तक निर्विघ्न पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता जब तक हम उस परम पिता परमेश्वर को याद ना कर लें। तो आइए अगले भजन से लीन हो जाते हैं उस ईश्वर की भक्ति में। यह भजन न सिर्फ ईश्वर का नाम स्मरण कराता है, पर साथ ही जीवन के सत्य को भी स्पष्ट करता है। तो प्रस्तुत है हमारे संगीत के अध्यापकों द्वारा एक भजन, मन मेरो लागो यार फकीरी में।
मन मेरो लागो यार फकीरी में, मन मेरो लागो यार फकीरी में, जो सुख पाओ राम भजन में, जो सुख पाओ राम भजन में, सो सुख नाही अमीरी में, सो सुख नाही अमीरी में, मन मेरो लागो यार फकीरी में, मन मेरो लागो यार फकीरी में। भला बुरा सबकी सुन लीजिए, करी गुजरान गरीबी में, करी गुजरान गरीबी में, प्रेम नगर में रहनिहार हमारी प्रेम नगर रहनी हमारी भली बन आई सबूरी में भली बन आई सबूरी में मन मेरा लगो यार फकीरी में मन मेरा लगो यार फकीरी में आखिर ये तन खाक मिलेगा कहाँ फिरत मगरूरी में आखिर ये तन खाक मिलेगा कहाँ फिरत मगरूरी में कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधु कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधु साहिब मिले सबूरी में साहिब मिले सबूरी में मन मेरा लगो यार फकीरी में हो मन मेरा लगो यार फकीरी में जो सुख पाओ राम भजन में जो सुख पाओ राम भजन में सो सुख नाही अमीरी में सो सुख नाही अमीरी में मन मेरा लगो यार फकीरी में फकीरी में
धन्यवाद सर, सच में मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया इस भजन ने।
जब कमी खलती है आपकी यादों से मुलाकात कर लेते। अब आपसे मिलना मुमकिन नहीं तो आपकी तस्वीरों से ही बात कर लेते हैं। तो प्रस्तुत है आपके समक्ष कुछ जीवंत तस्वीरें जो साक्षी हैं हमारी कहीं हर बात की। स्वरचित कविता तो है प्रतिष्ठा द्वारा, पर प्रमाण ये है हम सबके एहसास की।
एक महात्मा के उच्च कर्मों की कहानी मेरी जुबानी। यूं तो वे न है हमारे बीच, परंतु उनकी स्मृतियों ने दिया है हमारा हृदय सींच। अपनी गांव की कुरीतियों को किया समाप्त, माता पिता का आशीर्वाद ही था उनके लिए पर्याप्त। भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित है उन्हें आज। हम बच्चों का जीवन सजाया, शिक्षा का आधार सिखाया, जीवन का मूल मंत्र बतलाया और विद्यालय सा सुंदर जहां निर्मित करवाया। तुम्हारे विद्यालय की रखी जिसने बुनियाद, उसे सदा रखना तुम याद, उसे सदा रखना तुम याद। भुला न पाएंगे कभी उन्हें हम, स्मरण रहेगा हमें उनका हर वो प्रण। विद्या से सरोबार किया हमारा जीवन, आभार व्यक्त करता है उन्हें आज हमारा कण कण। चुनौतियों से कदापि न हुए वे भयभीत, ढाल बन खड़ी थी साथ उनकी नीत। परंतु फिर इन खुशियों को किसकी बुरी नजर लगी, तेज पवन अपना रुख बदल क्यों चल पड़ी, और उस महात्मा की मुस्कान कहीं छिप गई। उनके जाने के बाद उनकी साथी टूटी नहीं, जानती थी कि वे आसपास ही हैं कहीं। यह उन्हीं के निस्वार्थ अथक परिश्रम और संघर्ष का है परिणाम, जो आज हमारे विद्यालय से निकले हर विद्यार्थी ने छुआ है उच्च मुकाम। किसी ने देश तो किसी ने विदेश में किया है अपना नाम। ईश्वर समान इस विद्या के मंदिर का करो साथियों तुम सम्मान, क्योंकि यही संभालेगा तुम्हारे सुनहरे भविष्य की कमान। इसी के कारण होगी दुनिया में तुम्हारी पहचान। वादा है उस दिवंगत आत्मा से कि उनके प्रयासों का सम्मान कर हम बालक अवश्य छुएंगे गगन। पुनः करते हुए उनका स्मरण करते हैं उन्हें सहृदय नमन, करते हैं उन्हें सहृदय नमन। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद प्रतिष्ठा। इस स्वरचित कविता ने हम सबका मन मोह लिया।
आकर चली जाती है लहर, छोड़ पीछे रेत पर सीपियां असंख्य झिलमिलाती। ढल जाता है सूरज हर सांझ, छोड़ हवाओं में गुनगुनाहट कुछ मासूम सी। मौन हो जाता है मुखर संगीत, शेष रह जाती मंद अनुगूंज देर तलक। रीतता है हर पल जो आनंद का, छोड़कर जाता है सदा एक अनमोल थाती अनगिनत मधुर यादों की। तो प्रस्तुत है आप सभी के समक्ष हमारी अध्यापिकाओं द्वारा कुछ उपाख्यान हृदयों द्वार से।
Today, on the death anniversary of our chairman, Sir Sri N.K. Bagarudia ji, I would want all of us to remember him as a person who has laid the foundation of this beautiful school. The school that has been in existence for roughly 30 years, that has helped each one of us as teachers, as students, as future citizens of this country to learn the right values, right culture, and to being human. He laid the legacy of responsible utilization of all resources at our disposal. He started small practices of appointing class monitors to switch off lights and fans after use, of using the free spaces behind bills and waste paper. Even though he is not physically present with us, I always feel that he's always like a guiding star, showing us the right path. So let's pledge together to work for the upliftment of all those associated with us in our school, in our country. Jai Hind.
Dear all, I am in deep, and I still have vivid memories of our beloved Chairman Sir. I first met him on my day of interview. I was all nervous, but he was a suave gentleman, and he made me more than comfortable. He asked me questions, and in the process, I was beguiled by his charisma and his knowledge of academia. He was a true leader. Any problem or confusion, and I was sure that it will not only be listened to but will be fixed in a jiffy. He was a caring towards us all, and I was no different. He was a fatherly figure, and I have special and fond memories, as I was instituted in this organization by him. Even today, when I look back, I am filled with nostalgia and have moist eyes of how soon we lost a great pioneer and a visionary who was unbiased and pillar of strength for us all. The school today enjoys a lot of respect and reputations, and it is all because of his unwavering efforts. He remained unfazed and undaunted and got the school to the best.
सपने तो सभी देखते हैं, परंतु यदि कोई ऐसा मिल जाए जो आपके सपनों को अपना मान ले और उन पतंग रूपी सपनों को उड़ान दे दे, तो मंजिल पाना आसान हो जाता है। आज ऐसी ही शख्सियत के साथ हुई एक मधुर घटना का उल्लेख आपके सामने करने जा रही हूँ। वो और कोई नहीं अपितु हम सब के प्रिय स्वर्गीय श्री नंद किशोर बगरोडिया जी थे। बात उस समय की है जब मुझे इस स्कूल में आए अभी 2 वर्ष हुए थे। सौभाग्यवश मुझे 10वीं कक्षा पढ़ाने का मौका मिला था। एक दिन उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया और पूछा, 10वीं कक्षा पढ़ाना कैसा लगा? कैसा रिजल्ट आएगा बच्चों का? उस समय मैंने अध्यापन के क्षेत्र में नया नया कदम रखा था। उत्साहपूर्वक जल्दी से जवाब दिया, सर बहुत अच्छा लगा। बच्चों का पेपर भी बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। कम से कम 20 बच्चों को 100 में से 100 नंबर आएंगे। फिर जो उन्होंने मुझे कहा वह आज भी हर साल मुझे प्रेरित करता रहता है। उन्होंने कहा, यदि ऐसा हुआ तो स्टेज पर सबके सामने तुम्हें बहुत बढ़िया इनाम दूंगा, और यदि नहीं आए तो निराश न होना। जीवन में इसी प्रकार मेहनत करती रहना। वे सिर्फ शब्द नहीं थे, मेरे जीवन की सबसे बड़ी सीख थी और मेरी प्रेरणा के स्रोत बन गए, जिन्होंने मेरे सपनों को उड़ान दी और उसके बाद ये उड़ान कभी थमी नहीं, आगे बढ़ती गई, बढ़ती गई।
Dear all, dear all,
Today, on the death anniversary of our chairman, Sir Sri N.K. Bagarudia ji, I would want all of us to remember him as a person who has laid the foundation of this beautiful school. The school that has been in existence for roughly 30 years, that has helped each one of us as teachers, as students, as future citizens of this country to learn the right values, right culture, and to being human. He laid the legacy of responsible utilization of all resources at our disposal. He started small practices of appointing class monitors to switch off lights and fans after use, of using the free spaces behind bills and waste paper. Even though he is not physically present with us, I always feel that he's always like a guiding star, showing us the right path. So let's pledge together to work for the upliftment of all those associated with us in our school, in our country. Jai Hind.
dear all,
सपने तो
मैं हमारी अध्यापिकाओं का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी, जिन्होंने अपने जीवन के महत्वपूर्ण अनुभवों को हमारे साथ बांटा।
आप सब अपने विद्यालय के बारे में कितना जानते हैं? चलिए गागर में सागर परखते हैं। इस अवसर पर हमने एक प्रश्नोत्तरी आयोजित की है, जिसमें हमारे स्वर्गीय चेयरमैन सर के जीवन, उनके किए गए कार्यों तथा विद्यालय से संबंधित कुछ प्रश्नों का संचयन किया गया है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी प्रश्नोत्तरी।
A very good morning to one and all. Today, I and Astitva are your quiz masters for the day. We are going to ask you all 10 very simple questions about our alma mater and our respected late chairman, sir. So let's see how well informed are you all. All the students giving correct answer will be awarded an e-certificate. You will not unmute yourself. Raise hand icon to answer.
So without any further delay, let's start with the first question. The first question of your quiz is, what is the name of the mother of our late chairman, Shri N.K. Bagrodia ji?
Oh, there's so many hands. Look, there's Tanishka, there's Samar. I want Tanishka to answer.
Shri Kamla Devi Bagrodia ji.
Tell
Yes,
us
you
your
are
class and
absolutely
section, which
correct.
is the correct answer.
Yes.
Tanishka, please tell us your class and section.
9A.
Second question is, in which year was the foundation of our school laid?
Okay, let's see. Uh, how about Meet Jan? Yes, Meet.
1988.
Well, that's the correct answer. Well played.
Maybe in your class and section.
10A.
So the next question on your screen is, how many branches does our school have in Delhi?
Vanchika Kataria, please unmute yourself to answer.
3.
Bravo, that's the correct answer. We have 3 branches in Delhi that are first NK Bagrodia Public School Rohini, then NK Bagrodia Public School Dwarka, then we have NK Bagrodia Global School Dwarka. Maybe in your class and section.
9B.
Fourth question on your screen is, what is the name of the native village of our late chairman, sir?
Okay, let's see who is going to answer this question. How about Krish? Krish Gupta. Yes, Krish.
Mukundgarh.
Well, that's the correct answer. Maybe know your class and section.
10A.
Moving on, the fifth question is, what is the charitable society under which our school runs?
Okay. How about Krish Goel?
Seth Sagarmal Bagrodia Charitable Trust.
Excellent. Well played, Krish. That's the correct answer.
Please tell us your class and section.
Krish, maybe know your class and section.
No problem. You can go ahead.
You can move on. Huh?
Moving on, next question is, what are the 3 principles in our school motto?
Okay, let's see. How about Jia? Jia Vadva.
Anushasan, Shram, Atmabal.
Perfect. This is the correct answer. Maybe know your class and section.
10A.
The 7th question is, where did late chairman sir start a school for girls?
Okay, let's give a chance to Suhani ma'am. She raised her hand.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mukundgarh.
That's the
Yes,
correct
ma'am,
answer.
you are absolutely correct.
Moving on, 8th question is, which institute started by late chairman sir imparts skill-based vocational education to children?
Okay, let's see how many hands do we have. Yes, Aaron Goel.
Jamnadhar Sagarmal Bagrodia. Yes.
Oh.
That's the correct answer. Very good, Aaron. Maybe know your class and section.
10C.
Yes, moving on. The ninth question for you all is, when was our late chairman, Shri N.K. Bagrodia ji, born?
Let's ask a student of class 9. Many students of class 10th have been answering. If Samar could answer. Bhave, you can answer.
I'm 13 October.
I'm afraid this is not the correct answer.
That's not the correct answer. Kavya, can we have any other child?
Tanishka Sethi, if you could answer.
16 January 1939.
Well, I'm afraid that's also the incorrect answer.
How about Ridhima Nagpal?
11th May 1939.
No, anyone else?
Okay, Chris Gupta, please try.
I think it's 2 April 1950.
Well, that's the wrong one.
That's
Aditi
incorrect.
Bhardwaj, please try.
I think it's 21st February 1939.
Oh, that's the correct answer. Congratulations, Aditi. Well played.
Maybe know your class and section, Aditi.
10A.
The last question on your screen is, what is the name of our chairperson, ma'am?
Let's see who is going to answer the last question. How about Samarth? Samarth, are you able to unmute yourself now?
Yes, Mrs. Pushpa Devi Bagrodia.
Well, very good. Our chairperson, ma'am's name is Srimati Pushpa Devi Bagrodia ji. Maybe know your class and section?
9th C.
So, we come to the end of an informative and fun-filled segment. We hope you all enjoyed, and we have such fun quizzes in the future too. So now Kavya and I sign off. Over to you, Mrinali and Preksha.
मैं काव्या और अस्तित्व का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी।
महादान है शिक्षा का, महादानी है शिक्षक और कर्म योगी है वह विद्यार्थी जो इस महादान को एक महादानी से प्राप्त कर संसार की उन्नति में अपना योगदान देता है। अब मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी हमारे बहुत ही अनुभवी और विद्वान प्रधानाचार्य श्री प्रशांत पराशर जी से कि वे इस अवसर पर हम सभी को संबोधित करें।
I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Respected headmistress ma'am, dear in charges, and my dear students. Today we are commemorating the death anniversary of our founder chairman sir Shri N.K. Bagrodia ji, and there could not have been a better way of celebrating. All of us, we have gathered together on the virtual platform to celebrate the life and the values, whatever he had given it to us. Because what we need to understand is a person when he leaves or whenever a person dies, there are so many things that he gives to us. It's not that a person has left for heavenly abode. So we remember him for his nature, his character, his personality only. But we remember him for all his goodness, for whatever values, ethos, moral, whatever we have learned from him. Look at the simplicity of the person, the honesty, the truthfulness, care for others. And his life has impacted many of us in many ways. I hope many of us are able to relate to this fact that yes, his life has impacted us, many people in many ways. As far as I remember, because I never got the opportunity to work with him, but from the kind of things I know of him, from the people I hear about things from, I simply know that he was a great visionary. Because people earn money, they spend it on themselves, they become a little extravagant, but his nature was a little different. He was a great visionary, and you know, he was a philanthropic all throughout his life. He never thought of earning money and accumulating it. He actually did something very good for the society because that vision was there in his mind, that I want to do something for the society. That's what make a person supreme. And you know, the deeds of a person are most important, because the action of a person, when it brings smile on our faces, when their words bring solace, when their act brings peace and harmony, that's what the whole life is all about. And he was a great educator in the true sense of the word, as I've already told, because he has taught us very many things in very many ways. And it's good that we are remembering him, but I tell you that a teacher or an educator cannot give you the truth. The truth is already there in each one of you. You only need to open yourself, the body, mind and heart, so that his or her teachings will penetrate your own seeds of understanding and enlightenment. Nobody can teach you the truth. The essence of saying all this is that truth, that enlightenment has to come from within. I can teach you, I can guide you, but I cannot ask you to seek truth. The truth, the higher truth, the lower truth has to be found out by you. So that's what I think he has taught us, that yes, you need to open up to yourself. You need to understand why you are here. What is the purpose of your existence? Do we need to only indulge into monetary activities, spending money on ourselves, or do we do something for the society? Because unless we pay back to the society, we do something for the society, it doesn't make sense. Our own life, what is the purpose? And then he has taught us mindfulness as well, as to it is a practice which quiets the noise inside us. Because without mindfulness, we can be pulled away by many things. Sometimes we are pulled away by regret and sorrow concerning the past. We visit old memories and experiences only to suffer again and again. The pain we have already experienced. It is easy to get caught in the prison of the past. We may also get pulled away by the future. A person who is anxious and fearful about future is trapped just as much as one bound by the past. Anxiety, fear and uncertainty about future events prevents us from hearing the call of happiness. So the future becomes a kind of prison as well. So without thinking about the past or the future, let us be a little restful, because resting is also a great practice, you know. You have to appreciate the people, those who are around you when they're alive. It is good to remember people when they're gone. But at the same time, all the students, everybody else, you must understand and appreciate this fact that when a person is alive, you must give proper respect to him or her. You must be around him or her, because once he or she is gone, you are left with memories only. And going back into memories, going back into the past, venturing into the future doesn't give you anything. You have to be mentally present in the present moment to enjoy the happiness around. And the most important thing is to, I told you that love the people, give utmost regard to the people when they're around, when they're alive. Because the general tendency is that when a person is alive, we do not pay respect, we do not talk to them, we do not say we are at loggerheads with them. It's good that you're remembering somebody when he or she is gone, but most important thing is to love a person when he or she is alive. That's the most important thing. And another thing, the last thing which I believe to my heart's content, is that he has taught us to become goal oriented. But at the same time, while we are wanting to go to a particular goal and very focused to getting there, it is very useful, but we must not forget to enjoy ourselves along the way. That's what the journey of whole life is about. So with these words, I leave it up to you to decide as to how to love, how to give space to people when they're alive, learn certain values, learn certain ethics, so that you become a good human being endowed with certain qualities of character. These are the things that will inspire and motivate you to become a little more responsible in whatever minuscule ways you can. It will. So these were the thoughts that were coming to my mind since morning, because while talking to you, I sincerely believe it has to make sense. And everybody around you, remember this fact that he is or she is a teacher, educator. Whosoever it is, your teacher, your friends, your neighbors, try to learn the basic nuances of life. Try to imbibe certain qualities of character in you. Develop that strength of mind and learn from everybody around you, whosoever it is, in whatever small ways you can, because that will make your life meaningful and that will give you a purpose for life. So with this, I think I'm done with, and I wish you all best of luck in your life, and thank you all the students, on the teacher Anchal Jain ma'am, sorry, and the in charge ma'am Josna ma'am, and all those who were involved, because I cannot go on to take names of each and every person, but the program was beautifully presented, and very mindfully I bow down before you, because I believe in paying respect to everybody, irrespective of their stature, irrespective of their qualities, because everybody, believe me, is a bundle of mistakes and qualities. You have certain negative traits in you, you have certain positive traits. Important thing is to understand that nobody is perfect in this world. So this is how you can take forward the things and can become a good human being who is sensitive enough, because people are not sensitive, you know. You have to become a little more sensitive towards the needs and the concerns of the society and people at large. With this, I finish all my words, whatever I wanted to convey. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thank you for inviting me and making me a part of this wonderful program. I hope you will do better programs in future and will be a little more mindful. Yeah, thank you.
धन्यवाद सर, आप सदैव ही हमारा मार्गदर्शन करते आए हैं। मैं आशा करती हूँ आपके मार्गदर्शन का सौभाग्य हमें आगे भी प्राप्त होता रहेगा।
अब मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी हमारी विभागाध्यक्षा श्रीमती ज्योत्सना शर्मा से, जिन्होंने पग पग पर हमारा मार्ग प्रशस्त किया, कि वह हमारी ओर से सभी का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन दें।
Thank you, Mrinali. Respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, in charges, teachers, and my dear students. Well, I too was lucky enough to work under the aegis of our founder, Chairman Sir. And if I have to honestly describe him in one word, I'll simply say uncomplicated. A desire to take his institution to greater heights and establishing warm relationship with all around. That was all he was. The true homage one can give to a person lies actually in imbibing the values the person has been professing throughout. And we definitely will try to follow the path he has shown us. We are blessed to be guided now by our chairperson, ma'am, who is always there for us in the same way as our founder, Chairman Sir, was. Regarding today's program, I am really grateful to all the teachers and students who have contributed beautifully in making this program a great success, looking for questions, involving students, working for newer things. Well, hats off to the team of Mrs. Anchal Jain, Kavita ma'am, Stuti ma'am, and the team of students who was involved. It's not easy, children. Being class 10 students, they're involved in their institutes, they're involved in the classes, homeworks, and a lot of pressure about submission of various assignments. But finding out, sparing time for rehearsals, or sparing time for thinking about how to conceive something different and put up something innovative, it's not easy. It requires a lot of time. So I think we all need to appreciate all that. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to extend my thanks to each one of you who could be present virtually and make our program a great success. We will definitely try putting up more creativity on this virtual platform, and will actually be hoping that we all meet in school physically soon. Thank you. Have a great day.
धन्यवाद मैम। अब मैं आप सभी से निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि आप सब राष्ट्रगान के लिए अपने स्थानों पर खड़े हो जाएं।
Thank you, dear Preksha and Mrinali, for hosting such a solemn and nostalgic occasion. Thank you, Jyotsna ma'am, for guiding us at every step unconditionally. Thank you so very much, ma'am. I wholeheartedly thankful to Principal Sir for encouraging us every time.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Anchal. Thank you very much. I think we can now disperse for the day.